screencasts. So we're going to add another teacher or an administrator to a course. So we're going to click into courses. These are all the courses I have access to. This one with the yellow means I am an administrator for it. So I'm going to click into Launch 2020 and I'm going to add DJ to this class. So we've got all the people that are currently in it. You can see this one is full of admins. That won't be normal in a class, but I'm going to add members and I'm just going to search for DJ. And there she is. If I click DJ and I click add members, it's going to pop up and here she is down here. And then I can use this little gear to make this person an admin. So for a student, obviously, I don't want to make this person an admin, but for Scott and Bethany, it would be great to make us admins. That means we can add students into your class without needing take your time to do that. So just hit make admin, confirm, and now DJ is an admin. There she is. DJ is an admin in the class. So that's how to do that.